Did you know that the food you eat every single day could be the difference between living a long, healthy life or battling health problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, and obesity? Today, we're diving into how proper nutrition not only helps you maintain a healthy weight, but also improves your medical numbers and even adds years to your life. Stick around until the end. I'll share the top 5 foods proven to support longevity and better health. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing health tips. Let's start with a simple truth. Food is medicine. Every bite you take is either fighting disease or feeding it. Diets rich in whole, unprocessed foods can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and prevent excess weight gain. Compare that to processed high-sugar and high-sodium foods that lead to inflammation, clogged arteries, and metabolic issues. The right nutrition doesn't just make you look better, it makes you live better. Science shows that up to 80% of chronic illnesses can be prevented with lifestyle choices, and diet is at the heart of it all. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't about starving yourself, it's about fueling your body with the right foods. Fiber-rich vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats keep you full longer, so you naturally avoid overeating. Instead of counting calories obsessively, focus on quality. For example, 100 calories from chips will spike your blood sugar and leave you hungrier later. But 100 calories from almonds will give you energy, satiety, and essential nutrients. Balanced nutrition means your body burns fat more efficiently, preserves muscle mass, and keeps your metabolism active. Let's talk numbers, because the proof is in the results. Blood pressure. Diets rich in potassium, magnesium, and low in sodium, like the DASH diet, can lower blood pressure naturally. Foods like spinach, bananas, and beans work like nature's blood pressure medication. Cholesterol. Swapping fried foods for omega-3 rich salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds can lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL, the good cholesterol. Blood sugar. Whole grains, legumes, and low glycemic fruits stabilize blood sugar and prevent insulin spikes, helping you avoid type 2 diabetes. These numbers matter because they directly affect your risk of heart disease, stroke, and early death. Improving them through nutrition gives you control over your health destiny. Want to live longer and healthier? Look at the blue zones, places in the world where people regularly live past 100. The secret? Their diets. These populations eat mostly plant-based foods, lots of legumes, olive oil, nuts, and whole grains. They consume little to no processed food and limit red meat. Nutrition doesn't just add years to your life. It adds life to your years. That means more energy, better mobility, sharper memory, and a stronger immune system as you age. So, what foods should you be adding to your plate right now? Here are 5 proven superfoods for health and longevity. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collards are loaded with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries fight inflammation and protect your brain. Fatty fish. Salmon and sardines reduce heart disease risk with omega-3s. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds provide protein and healthy fats. Legumes, beans, and lentils improve digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and support heart health. Incorporate these daily, and you'll notice a difference in both how you feel and in your health checkups. Food truly is the foundation of good health. By choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can maintain a healthy weight, lower your blood pressure, improve your medical numbers, and add years to your life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more health and nutrition tips that can transform your life. And remember, every bite counts toward a healthier you. May the Lord always bless you.